So this is how you can add limit on your iPhone hotspot. Let's get into it. First of all, if you open up the settings of your iPhone and tap on the cellular section, at the bottom when you scroll a bit, you can see the current behavior. So you can track it here if you wish, even though it's not going to allow you to send limits, but if you at least want to keep track of the data being used by the personal hotspot and other things, you can manage it all inside of the cellular section in the settings. However, if you want to take it a bit further, take one step forward, I would recommend you to get the My Data Manager app from the App Store. So it essentially means that you can monitor your data usage from your device right away. You can also monitor your roaming and Wi-Fi and mobile connection, and you can even set up custom plans and set limits, and when you choose a plan where you have, I don't know, prepaid, or you choose the recurring payments or whatever, you can track your data plan directly on this app. And it just means that whenever you reach the limit or you get to it, you might get notified about it, depending on how you have the settings set up. But it's very cool to track it this way because you can see and have an idea of how much data is being used and how much you have left in your plan, how much you can still share and use on your own. So it is very cool to limit it this way. So that's it for me. This is my idea how I like to use it. If you manage to get it to work, hit the thumbs up to let me know about it. But also, if you like this type of direct tutorials where we don't waste any time, then subscribe to this channel so you never miss future videos like this one.